Sir, orang umur hodi pora beri hodi. White.
Hello. Belai naithoto. Sanai ramon belai hambai. Hari ini sini pamnati bukan tulang lain, sengkabu solo singing competition. Ain tukar tulang lain. Sinaro ini jar sendiri manjat khas sini IQS sini tai philosophy department ini sini incharge Dr. Jacob Khalam sir bokroksa ini sini resap mungno naikol nai tai aku yang sini DC council secretary sini DC sir tai history department ini sini Tony Tepur masa bokroksa sini ini resap mungno naikol nai aku yang sini chief guest hai manjat khai sir Monishongkor Mura Singapore resap munggo nai isi point of nai bagi satu sebab Mungkin resap nai orang kobogo norok mitrek roktong kangke jadi ketu wedi sini ruskang lo sentago sini jar sama poinnya borok ni rule roktong kangke kisah rule los aklai itu sang tahu proses apa baik ni borok kisah rule roktong kangke aklai itu
Thank you. Participants from Nibagai, Kisisa, Rusap Niraida, Nor Nibagai Tomnai, Nor Gorok Ekeno, Nor Ni Mung Sanai, Abuyakro Department Sanai, Tai Nor Ni voice quality. The quality of the voice will be assessed, then rhythm and timing. Rhythm, timing, there will be point, expression and presentation. Then overall performance. So Omom Tongai, Tewasi Sanai, Norobi Mungsadi, Department, Hamliya Noni Risang Chennai, Risang Chennai, Nini track Hamliya, Risang Ama Heronte, point Naisaka. That will be depend on your performance. There was a voice quality, pitch, rhythm, timing, expression, presentation, and overall impact. So with this, I would like to once again hand over to our MC.
Thank you, sir. That was sini Jacob sir for presentation.
Sequence of the performance. Knade, first Phailai Political Science Department ne Vidya Moni also Hatu Bakar. Good. Next we have second number maenge Dipomani Deborma Kopra. Okay. Third we have Bugra Deborma. Bugra. Ready? Then we have next is Sahid Deborma. Sahid from the Department of English. Sahid ko call karo. NCC Sahid ko call karo. Next we have he gave name as well. He gave name. Next we have Education Department Rajiv Deborma. Then we have next Shreyoshi from the Department of Philosophy. ये होगा sequence. Okay. What is the timing? 5 minutes. Jaduni. अच्छा. First we'll go for Jaduni. क्या बोले तो? Jaduni रिचापो. Yung number. Okay.
Okay. Then we'll start with Jaduni. If there are no participants, only we'll complete the event. Then we'll go for Robindra Sangeet if anybody is there.
अच्छा रविंद्र संगीत कोई है?
Okay. Then last we will go with the open. The one and song.
Okay. First we'll go for the Jaduni. Okay. We give time to your name is Rajiv Deborma. ट्रैक है क्या तुम्हारा? ट्रैक लग गया पॉकेट Clear?
If there is only one participant, no other discussion. No. Judging score no other discussion. Single to that.
Robindra Sangeeta ko paksa na to. Okay. Kaya mo to layos kay kung mo program ni mo. Abo kay common. Bakit last?
Pule Baba Haimat Pradesh Isar Chino Karate Isar Sale Mukta Muti ko kaha te ai mungke Rajendra Burma te education department no अनुष्ठान पढ़े तो वो तब हम जादुनी किसान है
Thank you. ठीक है टाइम बोले तो हम करेंगे ना so next हम जाएंगे रविंद्र संगीत श्रेयसी
Kemudian sama, yang saya selain friend jono, jono di bawah. Tahu kan jenis apa? Animal, Shreya Department, and Department of Philosophy student. যদি তোর ডাক শুনি কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনি কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনি কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি কেউ কথা না কয় ওরে ওরে ও ভাঙা কেউ কথা না কয় যদি যাওয়ার পথে I can do that, that's right.
melodious performance. Now we will go for open. This for
price distribution now because
okay, we come there. First, we will go for prize distribution. Okay. Tug of war. ठीक है ना? Let's see it. Okay. Tug of war. The winners are Department of Philosophy. Nikita Deborma, Swayoshi, Mausumi, Papia, Aishri, Elina, Mamita, Mirza. स्टेज पे आ जाओ. स्टेज पे आ जाओ. मेडल मिलेगा. आ जाओ. जी. Nago, respect. Actually, don't ले आवा. लकी मेरे. पापिया, जल्दी करो. चलो तुम्हारा शूट चला चलो. खोलने का जरूरत नहीं है सर. पापिया. बाहर चलो. हाँ, चैंपियन. आगो बोल. साइज देखो. कौन उनको डिफीट करेगा? Very good. HOD का साइज भी देखो. बाकी में 0 होने से भी टाको बॉल में है कि नहीं? Very good. It was a very tough fight. There were 4 teams, so each winner from each team were taken out, and there was a third round for final. It was a very tough competition. I would like to invite our chief guest and principal sir to come on the dais and do the honor, please. DC council also. Certificate also. Okay. So one by one we call, since we have no place. One by one. So first we call the principal sir. Okay. So we'll ask him to give the medals. ट्रॉफी लास्ट में देंगे ना. चलाएंगे ट्रॉफी लेने के बाद तो चिल्लाएंगे. फोटो उठाओ फोटो. अरे डिपार्टमेंट में फिलॉसफी है जितना भी है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फिलॉसफी जितने है ओनली मेडल. गुड. HOD के लिए भी मेडल है क्या? ऑर्गेनाइजर्स नेक्स्ट टाइम HOD के लिए भी एक मेडल होना चाहिए. थैंक यू. Thank you, Principal Sir. Now I'd like to invite our PC Council Secretary, Sri Pradeep Deborma Sir, to distribute the certificates. नाम पर एक चेंज कर रहे हैं सर्टिफिकेट लेने. तालियां बजाओ. जब तुम मिलेगा हम तालियां बजाएंगे. ठीक है ना? Very good. It's called cooperation. Okay, thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite our chief guest to hand over the winning trophy. चिल्लाएगा है? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the Department of philosophy. Now I'd like to call the runners up Department of Corporate. Meena Rani Deborma, Hamari Deborma, Elise Deborma, Tuima Deborma, Mamita Deborma, Kumulum Deborma, Rumari Deborma, Sorbi Deborma. Kumulum Deborma कौन है? मजा आया नाम, very good name, sweet name. जितना भी कुमुलुम में जन्म लिया है, सबका नाम कुमुलुम होना चाहिए. जल्दी सब टाइप है हमारे पास. We would like to again invite our principal sir. Please come on, guys, and do the medal distribution. Please be honored. They are the runners-up for Women Power Job, the Department of Corporate, and they are the product of Sri Governor Bhagwan sir. Babu product award. अब मेरा चापू बुढ़ा गुरु था तब बस लाइक किसा था hey photo किसा था कौन-सा किसा था thank you sir. I would like to invite the producer to come to the guys and distribute the certificates, please. Producer, next time, yeah, there's so many events waiting. तालियां बजाओ. Philosophy department में डालो देखे वो यहाँ पर खोल दिया, हैं? कॉर्पोरेट में डालो Kami slide ako. NCC. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Now we would like to invite our chief guest to hand over the trophy of the runners up for the event of Thank you, sir.
Oh my God.
Okay, thank you. Next we have the event for Kabaddi. The winning team is the Department of History. History से साधन आइटम बना है. Rashmi Rangol, Bahai Deborma, Udita Deborma, Sedika Deborma, Tanya Deborma, and Kabuka Deborma. Baki bhai kate. Thank you. We would like to invite Dr. Amshita Gupta to distribute the medals. तालियां बजाओ for the Department of History. तालियां बजाओ. हिस्ट्री का सफाई सही नहीं होगा. Very good. Next, I would like to invite our guys, Dr. Subrata Deborma, the Nodal Officer of PM Usha, to distribute the certificates. IT डिपार्टमेंट तालियां बजाओ। सब लोग IT डिपार्टमेंट के अंदर हो लोग। फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में पढ़ना पड़ता है DG2 डेस्कटॉप पब्लिशिंग। कबड्डी चैंपियंस यस। And we would like to invite our chief guest to hand over the trophy because all the students want our chief guest, right? Please one photo. Okay. हमको भी पता है तुम्हारा फिल्म में क्या है। पहले किसी ने बताया मैंने बताया। अरे
Concert department teachers and HODs can join for the group photo. Any event from the coming events, please come. Because we have our respected sir with us, this is a privilege photo. So take advantage of taking the photograph. Yeah.
ये तो नाइंसाफी है। मेरा फिलोसफी डिपार्टमेंट गया मैंने नहीं गया। रोज बताते रहते हैं अच्छी बात नहीं है। थैंक यू everyone. Okay, next we have runners up, the Department of Political Science, Ishra Betu, Mirza Deborma, Siari Deborma. Armani Jamalia, Sobita Deborma and Ishran Deborma. Maximum penalty, Nara Jota Swamans hai. Okay, please come on guys. Political Science, HOD, Prasajit sir, and guest faculties, please come. Abhijit sir, please leave your camera and come. Next, we would like to invite Rabindra sir to distribute the medals. Adam sir, please. Trophy put on my hand. Okay. Oh, trophy put on my board. Okay, come, Rabindra sir, please. Hey, बाकी लोग हैं? Runner sir. जय माया भाई और अपने माया का। अरे बेंच मत तोड़ना। हमारे कॉलेज में जैसे कम है बेंचेस। अभी मैं सर्टिफिकेट देने के लिए प्लीज सर्टिफिकेट देने के लिए एंड थैंक यू रविंद्र सर सर्टिफिकेट उधर ही है फोटो उठाओ फोटो तालियां दे दो थैंक यू मैडम नाउ once again we invite our chief guest to hand over the trophy for the runners up Tamale for the Department of Political Science all the for the first coming boys and this is come on Jason very good now we have another event of prize distribution that is Kut Kit या Kut कैसा खेलते हैं इसको ऐसा Kut wow देखो first prize goes to Miss Bahai Deborah to the Department of History. I'd like to invite our chief guest to do the honor of all the three participants. Let's recognize her. Orang boleh recognize her.
Pak, ini bagus apa ya, sir?
Oh, Papa nanti baca. Apa nanti? First prize.
Alia.
Thank you. Next, Miss Salmi Rani Deborah for the Department of Political Science. Salmi Deborah. Absent. Teacher Political Science pere.
Teacher.
Next third position Kavita Deborah again from the Department. ये क्या हो रहा है? History Department. Third place goes to Kavita Deborah, Department of History. Now we have another event, My Room Chokmani. First place goes to the Department of Philosophy. Miss Revasi Deborah. I'd like to invite our principal sir to do the honor. Okay. Principal sir, please. Second place goes to Martina Deborah. Third place goes for philosophy. Philosophy भी कौन वाले? Second place sir. Second place. Elena Deborah. Third place philosophy. Thank you, sir. Now we have another event, sack race, hosted by Kachmali. First place goes to history. Alia Deborah. I want to invite Sri Prati Deborah sir, RTC Council Secretary, to do the honor. Second place goes to Sima Deborah, Education Department. First one, Education Department. Interestingly, third place goes to Philosophy. Mosumi Begum. Sir, तीन जो है दोनों मापा ही नहीं है चेक क्लास अपन मापा ही नहीं है Second place. Department of Education. Department of Education, second place. Mosumi Begum, third place from the Department of Philosophy. Next we have the event Breaking the Pot. Oh, बहुत मनी. Professor disqualified to carry बागवानी. Sorry. Okay, first place goes to history. We like to invite our Jamil sir, the member of the program to honor the prize. First place goes to Kavita Deborah from the Department of History. Second place goes to Kashmirun Riyang from the Department of English. Hey, kalian benar? Second place goes to Kashmirun Riyang from the Department of English. Yana Bhorapade. Okay. Now we will continue with our singing competition. Okay? First, we have Vidyamani Monso from the Department of Political Science for